Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel for another clean and decorate with me, and this one is heavy on the clean. As you can see, my main floor is a mess. The living room needs some tidying up. My dining room is full of Christmas decor because on this day I actually went Christmas shopping, and yes, it's October, but I'm that crazy person that as soon as Hobby Lobby or any of those stores even puts one shelf out of Christmas decor, I'm there. And I did also record a Christmas haul that will be out next week, so don't try to zoom into the video or anything. You will see everything nice and close up next week. But yeah, and then my kitchen was just a mess. I had a ton of dishes, the counters were filthy, they had stuff all over it, so we're just gonna be clearing all that stuff and then go ahead and decorate a few spaces that I've been wanting to decorate that I didn't get to in the previous two videos, including the upstairs bathroom, and I also did get something for the countertops here in the kitchen. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. If you're new here, my name is Josie and I'm a wife and first-time mom to a beautiful almost one-year-old baby girl. She's 11 months. And on my channel you'll see a ton of cleaning, decorating, homemaking, all that good stuff. But as of recently, there's been a lot of house hunting and a lot of house things because we recently just sold our first home, which was a fixer-upper. So I took you guys along the process of selling that, of searching for this home, when we got this home, empty house tour, moving in, building furniture, all that good stuff. And that's all on my channel if you're interested, and I'll try to link some videos up above. But yeah, so that's what we've been focusing on lately. So I'm just gonna clean this kitchen, get my life together down here, and then I'll catch up with you guys when we start decorating.
Show me your love like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless.
You guys, I just have to say this because I find it so funny. If you've been here for a while or since I've been doing the whole house hunting thing and all that good stuff, you know that I've been obsessed with finding a house with an island and just a bigger kitchen over in general, because if you know, then you know that my last house had a very small kitchen. I probably had 2 pieces of countertop to clean, and over here with the island and all these cabinets and countertops, it's just so much to clean. And it's like, I don't regret it. I love my kitchen, but it's a big difference from what I had.
That's looking fun, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself.
Okay, so the first thing I've been dying to do is get rid of this little mini cake stand that I had from the other house because I had such a small kitchen, but I always wanted one of these big ones. So I picked this one up at Home Goods. I got a really good deal on it, like $16.99. And then I'm filling it with some limited edition pumpkin muffins that I got from Target just to make it look a little more aesthetically pleasing. And I thought I was gonna be able to, you know, have some self-control and keep these in there for aesthetics, but guys, I tasted one and they are so good and addicting. So if you pass by Target and you see these pumpkin limited edition muffins, you need to pick them up because they are so delicious. So now we're gonna go ahead and clear the dining table up. This is all the Christmas decor. Some of it is to decorate the house with, and some of it's for my daughter's Winter Wonderland first birthday. So I just have a ton of stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and put that all away and then wipe down the table and vacuum.
I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you. What things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah.
Alright you guys, this is everything I got for the bathroom upstairs. You guys know we did the bathroom downstairs in my first clean and decorate for the new house. So everything up there is kind of dark, so I did the light colors instead and not everything like all black like I did in the other bathroom. So this is the shower curtain. I got most of the stuff from Home Goods. It was $16.99. Then I got the black hooks to go with it that were $5.99. I got the liner, $5.99. I got these little towel hooks that I showed you in the first video from Amazon. I'll link it down below. These are so good for the towels. Goes right behind the door and they stick so well. I got this basket. I'm gonna try to put it on top of the toilet. Sorry y'all, my camera died, but where was I? Yes, I'm gonna try to put toilet paper in this. I tried to use it for the other bathroom and it didn't look right because I did get another seagrass basket for the garbage can and it wasn't the same like color. So we'll see if it looks good in there. With toilet paper, I got the same thing I got in the last bathroom. Oh, this is from Five Below, by the way. This was $9.99. It's a black towel brush. Then I got this black shower caddy. This was $10. I got the toilet paper holder to go next to the toilet, which is black, and it was also $10 from Home Goods. The trash can was $10 as well from Home Goods. And then I got 2 black towels for my husband. I didn't do the white ones for him because he cannot keep white towels white. So I got these from Target. They were $4 each. So yeah, we're just gonna shut up the shower curtain. We're gonna set up the shower curtain, and then we're gonna set up everything in the first floor bathroom finally. Oh, and then I also got this towel. I mean, what do you call this, guys? I'm like so flustered right now. Whatever, the thing that holds up the shower curtain rod. I got this from Amazon, and it's very nice, black and matte. So yeah, I'll see you guys then.
Wake up at your place.
So you guys, after we go ahead and get this first floor bathroom situated, that's pretty much it for this video. So if you stuck around till now, thank you so much. Make sure that if you enjoyed this video, you go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're new here and you want to stick around for the journey of just all these new house things and decorating and all that exciting stuff coming and Christmas and all that stuff, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. I hope to see you guys in my next video.
Why don't we just get a place together?
I'm just gonna show you guys everything. This is the shower curtain. Remember downstairs we put a dark one because everything in there was kind of different, so we put the shower curtain. Got the shower rod there. Let me know if you think it should go all the way in the bottom. Then we put that black toilet paper holder. Put this little basket here. I do have 2 wooden shelves to be put into there, but they need to be screwed in, and I'm just tired. We just came back from like shopping at like 3 different stores, Home Goods, Target, Hobby Lobby, all that stuff. So, and then I came back to do all of this. So I'm just gonna end it here, but in a future video, we will be putting up the shelves there, maybe decorating it. Then we just got the trash can. In the other bathroom, we did the seagrass one. But everything in here is just like neutral, I guess. This is my husband's bathroom, so it doesn't need to be fancy. So the black garbage can, the black scrubber, and then I haven't done anything in the vanities. My camera's like connected to the charger, you guys, because it's dying. I haven't done anything to the vanities. I can't find any cute soap dispensers, and if I do, they're like $15 each, and I'm just not spending $15. So I'm gonna keep shopping for those. There's no rush, but this is the vanity. So yeah, this is everything, you guys. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.